Savvy
and Margie.
and today we'll be doing a mukbang with assorted foods.
So let's just show you guys the food.
Yep.
So first we got some chow mein, and it's chicken flavored, and we put a little bit of sriracha in there so it's nice and spicy.
we have bagels and rolls, which is the same for her, and cream
Yep.
cheese. And then we have mashed potatoes and drinks, which she needs
Oh.
to make her drink.
Oops! Sorry guys.
So yeah,
You guys
can
can watch me run off over there. Ready, guys?
So I'm just gonna start by opening my drink. Oh, in the store, I dropped one of these and it exploded.
flipping her bottle.
No, I wasn't flipping it. I was like, I was
doing this.
I wasn't. That's flipping. It's like that. But I was throwing it up in the air and it dropped and exploded all over my pants. So that's
And
great.
made an aisle on aisle 19.
But luckily, I have black pants.
So what drink do you have?
I have a vitamin water and it is tropical mango.
And I have a Frappuccino from Starbucks, and it's vanilla.
Oh, it's not cracking open. Oh.
I don't know. Okay, I hope I open this, guys. What the? Didn't expect that. Like, pop the lid.
This is really good.
Ooh. I really like this. It tastes like, guys, this tastes like, it's weird, but like, Vietnamese, my family makes this type of jello, and it's coffee flavored. It has a layer of jelly, and then a layer of coffee jelly, which tastes like that, and it's really good.
Okay, mashed potatoes and roll.
Oh, my phone. Perfect.
Uh-uh.
I think I'm gonna grab some mashed potatoes and
Put it inside the roll. That's what I do on Thanksgiving.
oh god.
That's good.
It's really got hot, guys.
Next, we've tried the
Chow
chow
mein.
mein. Yes.
Guys, this is so hot.
I'm scared of this.
Oh yeah, got some cream cheese for the bagel. Can't remember if we can announce that.
Pretty
But
good.
yeah, I'm gonna grab some mashed potatoes, and grab some sriracha. Guys, I love sriracha.
Asians really do put salt on everything. That's
I even put sriracha on ice cream. I'm just joking.
There was this one commercial, and it was like, I put that on everything. Right.
Guys, one thing that Asians eat that I think is really disgusting is if we like make something like fried and then we eat it with rice. Some Asian people like eating it with, they put like watermelon or strawberry on top, and then they eat it with the rice and then the meat or something,
Ew.
which is disgusting. I don't know how people eat that, which is. Oops.
Mashed potatoes are interesting.
I love mashed potatoes, guys.
I'm
I
gonna
could
put
eat
it.
mashed potatoes for
I'm just
days.
gonna take like a little bit and just put it on the side.
The steam that went into the mashed potatoes makes it more squishy and like moist.
I'm just gonna mix that.
Hot.
Does the sriracha help it, or is it like?
It
make
tastes good. You should try some.
I'm just gonna put a little bit because I'm white. I bet you guys totally didn't know that. Okay. Well, I'm Puerto Rican, but I'm like 50-50. Like 25% black, 25%.
Oh
Puerto
yeah,
Rican.
because your dad was black.
I put so much.
That's not a lot. Guys. Comment down below if you think that's a lot of sriracha.
Watch, it's gonna turn them red.
No, it's not.
Here,
No
put the camera
way.
back. They're like orange. Cause mama, I'm in love with the criminal.
Oh, I know what
Cause
song you're singing.
mine is rational. I'm so crunchy. That crunch though. It do be crunchy though. We're gonna reflect on these videos when we're older and we'll be like, ew, what were we thinking?
Be like, ew, we're so cringy. Okay, I think I'm gonna open my cream cheese, guys, and put it on my bagel.
Funny story about this cream cheese. We didn't know we had, well, we didn't know we had to pay for it, but
It was. Okay, I'm just gonna tell the truth. So these were 99 cents, guys, at Smith's, which is weird because it was more money than the bagel. The bagel was 69 cents. So when we checked out, we couldn't find where to like search the cream cheese up, and we didn't want to scan it. So
Because it's already in the bag.
yeah, and so then we just walked out the door, and then like the things,
The
like
sriracha really helps it.
the alarms didn't go off, so we just went off and we stole some cream cheese.
This tastes like
$1.
cheese.
We stole about $1.98. Okay, here's my bagel. This is really crunchy, guys. I hear this.
On Thanksgiving, guys, what I like to do is I'll take mashed potatoes and I'll put on my roll. It's really good.
I do that too, but
Do you celebrate Thanksgiving?
with my aunt.
Do you guys have chicken?
Chicken.
I
No,
mean
we have
turkey.
turkey. Yeah, we have turkey. We have rolls. We have mashed potatoes with gravy. Except for once, guys, I found some hair in my mashed potatoes, and it wasn't in my aunt's or anyone's because it's from my aunt's friend. Because everyone brings a little bit of food, and I like tried eating it all, but I just couldn't like accept the fact that there was a hair in my food. Ugh. For 99 cents, guys, that's not a lot of cream cheese. Even though we didn't pay for it, but even though.
Don't report us to the police, please.
You don't know where
We're
we
probably
live.
never even
Go to jail for this.
post these videos.
Oh, yeah.
They're more just like fun.
Yeah. Guys, I can't tell if that's too much cream cheese because we just got a whole bagel and we split it in half. So
We
that's
don't want to eat too
look
much.
at that cream cheese. This thick cream cheese. I'm gonna get some thick cream cheese, guys.
Okay, I'm gonna get some cream cheese.
This is a thick.
It's
Guys,
gonna-
this cream cheese is super thick.
It's gonna be good that wait. It's good that we're having the cream cheese and the bagel because it's gonna help cool the food down since it's like everything's so hot.
We put the cream cheese in the freezer, guys.
Yep.
Surprised it didn't freeze it. Ooh.
Well, it's only there for like 5 minutes.
But like that freezer is really strong. Like if you put a water ball in there, it'll like freeze in like an hour.
Don't kind of love is irrational, physical. Me being a weirdo, because I know we're probably never gonna post these, and they're just gonna stay in your inventory. I mean gallery. I don't know why I said inventory.
That means make some cheese out. Or bagel with cream cheese.
Wait. Sorry, guys.
Wait a minute. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Hopefully you guys cannot hear that.
Yeah.
Well, these aren't gonna get posted.
Guys, but help. When we went to Smith's to get this food, we went to the bathroom because she needed to go to the bathroom because the juice accident, and we heard some people moaning. There's a lot of cream cheese on here. I'm gonna
We
take some
walked
off.
in, and she's like, "Ew, since in here," I'm like, "Cause someone was like pooping," and they're like moaning, they're like, "Ugh."
Someone's pooping and it smells gross in there, so I didn't know someone was in there and it smelled really gross. I'm like, ew, it smells really gross in here. Like, I yelled that out loud, and like, probably the people in the bathroom
what I
probably
just
heard me.
That's what this is talking about. Next time we need to top it off with dessert.
We need dessert next time.
We
guys.
have the Snicker bar things.
We only have one left though.
I know. We have to split in half.
Next time, instead of salty, we should do sweet.
Like cake.
Have cupcakes, donuts.
That's a diabetes right there.
Cookies.
Where's Krispy Treat? I feel like we're the most creative kids, like, for food. We just take things we have and combine it into a good meal.
I think I'm gonna finish these mashed potatoes. I love mashed potatoes so much.
That would be like good sriracha. You should just put sriracha in the whole thing.
Oh. You probably should eat some chow mein.
I know that's what I was about to say.
Because we've been eating like everything, like everything's almost finished except for the chow mein. Okay, I'm gonna take a bite of my cream cheese and I'm gonna eat some chow mein.
Okay, me too. The chow mein kind of tastes weird, but it's pretty good.
Kitchen. Guys, you should go to stores. Stores are like sold out because of the coronavirus. Like they're like sold out of water and everything like that.
It's scary.
I know I put sriracha in this, but this isn't spicy.
Yeah. Put sriracha like in the whole thing.
Okay.
Oh, whoa.
Wait.
That's a lot.
That's not a lot. Mexican.
Oh my gosh. These are spicy.
Spicy is delicious, guys. Probably make spicy cupcakes.
Ew.
Not spicy cupcakes, like a spicy combination of cupcake, you know?
The sriracha makes it way better.
Oh. Sorry, guys. Just the oven going off because we were toasting the bagel, the rolls, and the mashed potatoes earlier.
Guys, what should I do? The most popular 7th grader and the most popular 6th grader. They both like me, so like, what should I do?
Guys, really help. There's a popular 6th grader that likes her, a popular 7th grader that likes her, and a kid in 8th grade at a different school that she met at the mall that likes her. What is wrong with you? You're like, I don't know, and be like, you're like laughing.
That's soy sauce makes it better. Soy sauce. It's not much. I dare us both to try to eat all of this food.
I'll probably finish it anyways. Delicious. Save the mashed potatoes at the end. They're so good. Oh, she got another container of mashed potatoes, like one for you and one for me. Mashed potatoes are so good. I love them. Oh. She got some sriracha on her pants.
On the Adidas online.
Adidas. They'll match my shoes, my Vans, guys. Put up.
That landed in the noodles. Ew. Ew, wait, give me a. Oh my gosh, guys, we're so sorry. I'm so sorry.
I'm just gonna. Guys, I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh.
I'm sorry, guys. We'll probably delete that.
Ow. Your hands are all in the way.
It's like cold now. The heck?
Kind of cold. It's like warm, but closer to cold.
Is it okay if I mix the sriracha in with it? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Watch them turn orange.
Yep, really even taste the gravy. It's just mostly
Yeah.
mashed potatoes.
Orange.
Delicious.
That makes them look like they have so much more in it. No.
Okay. I'll just add more in mine if I want. So
It's gonna be so hot.
it's not good. Don't worry, guys. I eat like
applesauce.
a pig. Oh, it does. See? Looks like applesauce. Oops.
Ooh.
Hot. Spicy or hot?
It's hot. At least maybe.
What if I eat some cream cheese with this?
Ew. Big bite. Wow.
Ew. The mashed potatoes just overpower it.
Is it spicy or hot?
It's hot. It's just because when your mouth is spicy after you eat. If you eat spicy things and then your mouth still has a tingle of spice in it, and you eat hot food, it makes your mouth really spiced up. Spiced up. I'm Chinese and Vietnamese. I love this stuff. What if you missed and then you fell backwards?
I'm like, every time I make these videos, her phone's about to die.
But it's at 20% this time.
We've been eating for 15 minutes. We're slow eaters, guys. Sorry.
It's fine. Like, I've seen mukbangers eat like that, this table times 4 and make a video that's like 2 hours long.
But how do they not get sick? Probably have explosive diarrhea afterwards. Like,
or they just have a really big stomach to fit all that food in.
and they finish it all.
We gotta finish this all.
New challenge. Challenge accepted.
Gotta finish it all. I'm gonna drink some of my coffee now. Guys, even if I drink coffee, I know it has coffee in it, and coffee makes you like stay awake, but I still like fall asleep as a baby at night.
Right.
If this had ice in it, guys, it'd be way better, but I don't have ice right now. Whatever.
Iced coffee.
Chilled coffee.
No, I know. I'm just saying that there's like stuff like iced
Yeah.
coffee.
Oh, I should probably grab some more chow mein too. Beep. I'm gonna take a big bite.
I feel full from the chow mein.
You feel what?
Full. Like I want more of it, but I'll just take. This is my last bite, guys, of the chow mein. You will not see me eat it again.
Well, gotta clean that up later. I dropped some on the ground.
Oh,
I'll just clean it up right now.
oh, goodness, so full. Where's stomach? Like so big. But I'm probably
You'll
not gonna
see me
even
eat this all now.
I'm probably not even gonna eat dinner.
I probably am. I got pho at home, and you know that's my favorite food. Oh, guys, if you don't know what pho is, it's like an Asian type of noodle, and it's with some delicious broth, and you could add like toppings on it, like meat and stuff like that.
Wait, did
vegetables
you
are
actually
so
eat the
good.
whole bowl that your dad bought you?
Yeah.
Sis.
No cap. I literally ate it all. I filled it all the way to the top. There was like a half a centimeter left, like, because I couldn't fill it up all the way because I had to carry it around.
You say no cap now.
Yeah, I found the perfect time to say no cap.
No cap. No cap, no cap.
Well, I'll finish that. Oh,
She demolished it.
oh, I'm like, what are you doing?
My friend sent me an audio message. Let's see what it says. Okay. So turn this up so I can hear it.
What it looks like right now, you can come over on Friday night. We can like
Friday
create
night.
the dance and do everything.
Don't you have a funeral to go to?
On Saturday at 10.
Ooh.
But we don't know for sure. But yeah. Yay.
Oh, we got a funeral to go to.
So, oh, oops. Okay. Oh, oops, I was on it. Okay. Okay. So, yeah, I can probably come over Saturday night because I have a funeral in the morning, so I won't be at school on Friday probably, unless if I skip it and I actually go to school because I don't want to go to it because I'm gonna get sad. But yeah, I'll talk to my mom about it. I'm gonna say love you. Bye. That was awkward. Sorry guys, don't mind me. Guys, just hey!
I'm sorry.
I should at least get the rest of you. Wow. Look at that. This whole thing is like failing. Look at that. I get the rest.
Okay.
Won't mind if I do. I didn't even notice. I was like, look over, I'm like, you ate that whole half.
I know.
It was in like 2 minutes.
That shows you how much I love mashed potatoes too.
Favorite Asian food? Pho. Favorite American food? But mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes.
My favorite Chinese, whatever, Asian food. Asian. Sorry, rude and racist. Favorite Asian food is ramen.
Ramen.
Chow mein.
Oh, chow mein.
Sorry, like the mashed potatoes like wet up, and I'm like, oh. And my favorite American food, or ham fries if it's from Panda Express. Okay, my favorite American food is probably Olive Garden breadsticks. But actually, food is mac and cheese. You can add the rest. I'm full.
Haha! I knew you were gonna say I'm full.
I have the tiniest bit left. I can do it.
You're gonna do that.
Okay, now.
You ate like half of that. I'll eat that right now. Look out.
Knock yourself out, kid.
She threw it on my plate. Wow. Wow, I paid for that. So.
That's why you're eating it.
That's just wet. And that is not disgusting. Oh. You throw your cream cheese away and it looked like you're the shape of your phone from where I was, and I thought
Should I just put it in here?
I thought you were throwing away your phone, and I'm like, are you throwing away your phone?
Yeah, I need a new iPhone 11 Pro Max. Okay. I guess it's
It's been 22 minutes.
Well, goodbye, guys.
Bye.
Peace out. Like and subscribe.